We're in the middle of freezing and thawing season. We're going through a freeze now, an eventual thaw. We're going to freeze again, then more thawing. This is what happens to the roads.
And yeah, freeze cycle going in today, right? Because our temperatures are now dropping below freezing. We're going to spend the day in the 20s. And then we're looking at 60s for Christmas. So right back up again.
Yeah, I guess it's a present for most of us having that 60s on Christmas. Got to get that.
Make it as festive as you'd like, but let's take a look because we do have some snowflakes flying this morning. We had a cold front race through in the early morning hours. You can see it passed us by at about 3 a.m. in through downtown, and it took what was a decent rainfall and switched it over to some snow showers. The back edge of that now moving through portions of Highland County and Adams County. You can see here areas to the east of Hillsborough still have some snow showers falling. Some of that has rain mixed in. Same thing, obviously, southern portions of Adams County and on into portions of Kentucky. Now, we're not done with the flurries and snow showers. There's still some flurries flying here locally, and looking back toward the Indianapolis radar site, you can see a couple of light snow showers drifting in our direction. Now, it's light snow, but it's driven by some pretty strong winds. So plan on temperatures that are in the 20s through the day. We're still holding on to 37 in Peoples, but it's 26 back in Connorsville. We're going to be in the 20s pretty much all day. And with the winds right now gusting to 30 miles an hour, we're looking at sustained winds through the day around 20 miles an hour. So your wind chills all day are likely to be in the teens. So weather impact day this morning. Some snow showers still flying. They should taper between about 8 and 10 a.m. Again, none of them are intense, but temperatures are falling, could have some slick spots, and the winds stay strong all day around 20 miles an hour. Temperatures currently falling off into the 20s. Feels like temperatures in the teens all day. On the roads, we're keeping an eye out for slick spots, especially the raised surfaces, bridges, overpasses. Those get colder quicker because the air goes both above and below. So plan on the potential for maybe some slick spots early. As far as the snow showers, you can see they're pretty light, but they'll come through here between about 7 a.m. and say 9:30 or 10 a.m. and then they'll be out of here. Clouds stick around into the early afternoon, and then we should get in on some clearing as we head into the evening. And I know it's a busy time of year, so if you have big plans for Friday night, just make sure you're bundled up. It's going to feel like the teens. Right now, it's 29 degrees at the airport. They're reporting some light snow showers, and with a 23-mile-an-hour sustained wind, it feels like 15. So that's basically what we're dealing with here most of the day, right? I kept the weather impact symbol on there through noon, but even into the afternoon, as we nudge up closer to 30, it's still going to feel like the teens. So windy and cold all day. I put 33 as the high. It was actually 43 at midnight, but it really doesn't matter to anybody here as we go through the day because our temperatures are already falling. For tomorrow, 23 in the morning. It will still be breezy, so likely to feel like the teens early, but we make it up into the upper 40s on Saturday. Looking ahead to next week, pretty mild, right? We've got 50s. There are scattered shower chances each day. None of these is a huge deal. They're all pretty light. And looking ahead to Thursday for Christmas Day, I think we have the chance for some rain early in the day, and then it gets out of here. It's going to be a warm one. We're headed up into the 60s for Christmas. But this morning, temperatures are in the 20s, so a drastically different situation on the roads. Katie.
Yeah, definitely. So watch those elevated surfaces for slick spots this morning. We'll take you out to State Route 28 and State Route 48, where is some breaking traffic news here, still tracking a closure at this intersection, or at least nearby. You're going to have to detour around this because, again, police have closed the road off. It's not a large closure, but it's going to add quite a bit of extra time here. We do have some traffic building on either side of that closure. You can take 48 south and connect to 132. It's a little bit slow on 132 as you make that detour, or you can head north on 48 and connect to Paxton and then come back around. So either of those will get you around that. Again, we'll add some extra time to your commute this morning, so just be mindful of that. No big slowdowns on the interstates this morning in the north and south of 275. Still free of any crashes or big delays. 8 minutes drive from Beachmont to downtown on 50 West, 75 south from Taylorsville, Liberty Way area to downtown at 22, and then the lateral to Fort Washington Way on 71 south just under 10 minutes. Stephen?